$4.99, $10, $10, $50, $4.99, $50. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily earn these using AI. So let's move toward the video. So first, go to your browser and search for School Solver. Search for it and just enter this first website, School Solver. And now first we will gonna see their clients, like as it is mentioned here, as mentioned on TechCrunch, and it's TNW, Forbes, Mashable, Product Hunt. These are their clients, and we can see their reviews on Trustpilot. They got 4.3 stars, and these are other users review on this platform. Also you can see here these are the tweets of different students on their platform, and we can see the top earners here and the latest questions and answers here. So this is the intro for the website, and now what we're gonna do is just click on answer questions, and here we can see that these are the amount that they are willing to pay, categories, the answers, and the posted date or due date. So let's just try one. Like, this is the question. Let's click on this. So here is the question, what is Islam? So you can see this is the user, and what details we have. We have offered price, due date, and added date. So just copy this, and we are using AI tool to solve this question. So here just search for ChatGPT, and just you need to paste your question here and let AI do his work. So here you can see what is Islam. It gives the detailed answer on what is Islam. So you just need to copy and paste that answer and earn your money. So we can also summarize this question if you think it is very long, so you can easily summarize it, and here is your summarized answer for what is Islam. So just you can copy from here and paste, and that's all. So but you know, it's not that much easy, so you need to first register yourself. So click on register and provide your username, your email, your password, and select your user type as a tutor. And if you have referral code, if someone gave you a referral code, so you can provide here. And we will register ourselves using Google. So here just click on instant login with Google and select your account. And after registering yourself, you can provide an answer here. So not you can provide your answer here, still you need to pass some quizzes that you can see. When I click on add your answer, there will be a red notice that it looks like you have not passed the quizzes. So just click on here account, and this is your account information. You need to your name, your profile picture, describe yourself, and this is your balance. Like, it is 0 now. So these are the quizzes which I am talking about. Like, you need to pass these quizzes to add your answer, and you can easily pass these quizzes using ChatGPT. So just give the quiz in which you are professional, and you can pass it easily. So here is some preferences. So like, we need to add our category. Like, I'm adding computer science, and just leave it as it is, and your user type is Twitter. So here you need to provide your PayPal account or your Bitcoin wallet. If you do not have PayPal account, you can use Binance, or you can use Payeer also. And this is your referral link. If you do not have PayPal account, just write in comment, so I will make a video on how you can easily make this PayPal account. Or if you need to create Binance account, just write in comment, I will make a video on that. And after completing your profile, just click on save. And let me know one more thing, that we will give a quiz. Like I can show you how you can easily pass these quizzes. So like this is basic English. So if I will give this quiz, I will be using AI tool and I will give all the answers and I can show you how you can pass these quizzes. So let me know in comments, and I think this video is helpful for you. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon and withdraw your balance from here.